I am super excited about today's fun video because I'm going to show you how easy it is to create an animated subscribe button for your YouTube channel using my favorite graphic design tool, Canva. This Canva hack is super easy to do, so make sure to watch till the end because not only am I going to show you how to create the animated subscribe button, I'm also going to show you how to download it and how to add it to your videos. So stick around till the end and let's head over to my computer to get started. All right, so here we are on Canva. I do have Canva Pro. If you would like to try Canva Pro for 30 days, I will leave my referral link in the text box description below, as well as in the comments if you guys want to check it out. So the first thing you want to do is click on Create a Design, and you want to do 1280 in width and 720 in height. Now, the reason why I picked that size, because this is the size of the thumbnail and the size of the video, basically. And I want to make sure that my animation subscribe button is clear, is not going to lose any resolution. Now, from here, what you're going to do is you're going to go to text on the left-hand side, and you could pick any of these here, or you could just search for a text that maybe you want. So you could just type in T, and then from here, you're able to pick any of the free fonts, or if you have any uploaded. What I'm going to do today to kind of make this a little bit more fun, I'm going to use this one right here because I do like it and I think it's a fun one. So the first thing I'm going to do is put subscribe. And from here, I'm going to make sure that it fits. Keep in mind, you could change the colors to your branding color. If you have Canva Pro, you can actually save your branding colors. If not, you could just upload the color by using the hex number. Whenever you need to change the color here, you just click on the A up here where it says text color. And from here, you could play around and change the color to your branding or any color that you might like. I kind of like this one, so I'm going to leave it in this color here. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to duplicate this page. So I'm going to have two subscribe. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to duplicate this page. But this one, I'm going to type in notifications because I want people to turn on their notifications, right? So whenever I upload a new video, they are notified of the video. So I'm going to make this a little bit smaller since it's a little bit longer word. And what you could do also as a fun way is that you could go to elements and you could type in the word bells. And you can actually put a little bell right here if you wanted to as well. As you can see, they have all of these here. They do have some for free ones. So let's check here in case you do have the free account. So as you can see, they do have some here. They have this animated one that moves, and then they have this one. So I'm going to pick this one here, and I'm going to put this little bell right over here, right next to it. And what I'm going to do now is move this a little bit more this way. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the color of the bell. And I think I want to make it yellow so it could stand out. I kind of like that. So that looks good. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to group these together. So I'm going to go ahead and select both. I'm going to right click and I'm going to group it together. I want them to be together. As you can see now, they're together. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and duplicate this again. So now we have two notifications and we have two subscribe. Now the next step, all you got to do is click on animate. And here you're able to play around with these. Now they have all the free ones. The one with the little crown is for Canva Pro. If you have Canva Pro, you could use these. I actually like this one a lot. However, if you have the free account, you could use any of these here that don't have the little crown. So that one, this one is kind of cool, the rise. So for this video, I'm going to do this one. Kind of like how it has that extra layer. So I'm going to click here and I'm going to apply to all pages down here. And so now that block button is applied to all of my pages, all four. And from here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the timing and I'm going to make it at 3 seconds each. And I'm going to apply this to all four pages. So you know what? I'm going to do 250 actually. I don't want to make it too long. So I'm going to apply to all. And now all of these pages, all of these are going to last 2.5 seconds before they change. Once you do this, you're pretty much done. Let's go ahead and preview this. So I'm going to go ahead and this is going to be a 10 seconds, as you can see here, because each one is 2.5. So it's a total of 10 seconds, which I think is pretty good. And I'm going to go ahead and download it as an MP4. This is all you have to do from your end when you're creating the YouTube animation button. It's pretty easy to do. And the cool thing about creating this animation button, you could actually create it for any type of text that you want. You could do one with please like and comment. You could do one with link in bio or link below. So you could get really creative with your YouTube videos. You could do one with your name sliding in front of the screen. So here is my button. And let's go ahead and play it. So as you can see, this is how it will look on my screen when I add it to my video. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to add it and how to remove the background so it's a clear PNG. So let's head over to my video editing and I will show you how easy it is to do. All right, so here we are on my video editing software. I use Canva. You can actually do what I'm about to show you on any video software. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and grab the subscribe button and upload it to your actual video. From here, make it a little bit smaller, and I'm going to put it right here. So I want it to fit right here. So that's why I'm making it a lot smaller. It's not going to lose any resolution because I made it the same size as my actual video. So the resolution is going to be nice and clear. And all you have to do now is remove the color. So for Canva, you just go right click, you go add effects, visual effects, remove a color. That's what you'll be looking for in your own editing software. From here, I'm going to click on this little green screen. I'm going to click on the little dropper and I'm going to go here and I'm going to choose the color that I want to remove, which is the white color. As you can see, it took it off automatically. Now, when I play the video, it's not going to have that background anymore, that white background. It's just going to be just the letters. But this is how simple it is to create a YouTube animation subscribe button. Let me know if you have any questions and don't forget to like, comment, and share.